Okay, let's do a few examples on comparing decimals, and our first question is asking us which is greater, 0.3 or 0.21. It's pretty simple, folks. Okay, we have the same numbers right here, 0 and 0 before the decimal point, so it's even right there. Okay, we got a 3 here and a 2 here. What is greater, 3 or the 2? 3 is greater than 2. So our answer would be 0.3 is greater than 0.21, because the 3 in the tens place and the 2 in the tens place, the 3 is greater than the 2, and they're both in the tens place, and the 3 is greater than 2, so that would be your final answer. Okay, our next question is asking us, write these numbers in order. You can use the number line above to help. Okay, so I want to start out decreasing order to increasing order. So you would look first at the numbers before the decimal. Here we have 5 here, 5 here. Oh, we have a 4 here. Let's keep a dot on top of that. 5 here. We have a 4 here, and a 4 here, and a 5 here. So let's just focus on the dots that I put next to the numbers. And okay, we got 4.8, 4.9, 4.92. So the first number that would go in would be 4.8, because 8 is lower than the 9. And then we would put 4.9, and imagine it putting a 4 point and put a 0 after the 9, so it would be 4.90. so that's why it would be before the 4.92. So we're done with these 4s here, and now we go to the 5s. Okay, we get the 5s, and we look at the tens place, and the lowest, we have 0 here, we have a 3 here, 0 here, 2 here, 1 here. Okay, we got 2 zeros here, we got a 0 here and a 0 here. So we look at the hundreds, which is less, the 1 or the 3. The 1 is less than 3, so we do 5.01, and then 5.03, and then next one, and then the next one we have 5.3, 5.24, and 5.1. That's all we have left. And the next, we look at the tens place, the 2, the 3 is in the tens place, and the 1 is in the tens place. Okay, what's the lowest? It would be 5.1. Okay, let's cross that out. What's next? The 2 is less than the 3, so it would be 5.24. And then our last, the largest number out of all these numbers would be 5.3. And this would be our final answer. So we go from decreasing order to increasing order. 4.8, 4.9, 4.92, 5.01, 5.03, 5.1, 5.24, and then 5.3. And that's how you would write it out. And that's how you compare decimals. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?